Programming a new or replacement smart key fob for your 2017-2020 Cadillac XT5 is a straightforward process you can do at home. This method works because these models use GM's standard remote keyless entry system, communicating with the car's body control module. You'll need a compatible fob, ideally an OEM or a known compatible aftermarket version. Avoid non-GM fobs as they may cause issues. Make sure the vehicle is unlocked before you start. This process should take about 5 to 10 minutes. Note, newer Cadillac models from 2021 onward are starting to move to digital keys, which are not compatible. 1. Enter your XT5 with a working key. 2. Insert the key into the ignition and turn it to the on position. Don't start the engine. 3. Turn the key back to the off position. Repeat this on-off cycle 3 times within 10 seconds. The vehicle should enter programming mode, indicated by flashing lights. 4. On the new fob, simultaneously press and hold the lock and unlock buttons for 10 to 15 seconds or until the lights flash again. 5. If you have additional fobs to program, repeat step 4 for each one. 6. Test all programmed fobs by locking and unlocking the doors. If the lights don't flash, double-check the fob's battery, usually a CR2032, or try the sequence again. In the unlikely event you encounter issues, a dealer or locksmith with a scan tool may be necessary to complete the process.